How to fix WhatsApp Business low quality videos and images on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First, open settings and then just scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here you will find WhatsApp Business. Click on it and then click storage, clear cache. Now go to WhatsApp Business and then click these 3 points here and then click settings, and now click here chats, and no chats, click storage and data, and here click this one, photo upload quality, and you will find it like that. Click on it and click best quality and click OK. Now just go back and restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.